Welcome back, traders. It's Monday, March 24. A new week, fresh opportunities, but don't get caught slipping. Today we're dealing with a Globex breakout, but as always, it's not what price did, but it's about what it will do when New York steps in on our game plan. We've got services and manufacturing flash PMIs on deck with a medium impact. Stay aware, especially around release time. If you haven't watched the weekly outlook yet, go do that first. That's where we laid the foundation. You'll see that our main target is hit. Today we opened with a 22-point gap up, smashing through all recent highs during Globex. It is a very fast start, but now we ask, can New York keep that fire? Let's break it all down. As always, we will start with the 10-day volume profile, where we see a tight value area forming, with the POC now pushing into the last period's value area low. We are filling this gap slowly but surely, all while staying above this September's POC at 5,751 and the monthly POC at 5,714. The weekly chart structure shows us a triple distribution alert with a value area high sitting at 5,773, which also lines up with last week's range high and almost pushing into this value area low at 5,783. We will zoom into another special chart where we see a triple distribution forming up during Globex right beneath Thursday's range right here. An area to keep in mind. On the 2-hour delta chart, we see that Globex is bringing in the heat. Price cleared previous range highs and deltas are looking very strong, but I'm not fully bullish yet. We need to see where New York opens and how it reacts. A big seller is still sitting here at 5,780, absorbing some of that buy pressure. Friday's TPO also gave us a triple distribution, strong opening range extension, and a close above Thursday's POC and market POC's high. Globex is continuing this rally, but again, New York confirmation is king. The 1-hour chart shows us that Globex is flying towards this Globex gap from March 9th. New York needs to decide if we chase higher or flush into London's liquidity. Strike zone is very narrow, with a high at 5,825 and a low at 5,750. There is a big gap waiting below 5,740 if things would flip. So for a game plan, I'm glad you asked. We have our line in the sand at 5,770, which is the former CPI high break. Bulls will be looking to fill more of the long-term gap with targets at 5,795, 5,810 and 5,825. Bears will be looking to fade back into the range with targets at 5,750, 5,740 and 5,725. So just because Globex breaks out doesn't mean New York will follow. Don't be the clown who chases into the traps. Get confirmation first. As we say in my country, nice songs don't last long. As always, like, subscribe, check all my links in the description. Stay sharp, size smart. I will see you tomorrow for another breakdown.